Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph of a beveled cross, and they want to do it to this type cross, and I've done it. I'm going to do it two different ways in two different videos, and this is how I'm going to do this one. I'm going to take this item, and I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the inside 0.3 with straight corners or mitered corners. Then I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, set on kind of like a light gray, and I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it over, down. I am going to take away the outline. I'm going to go to Effects and Bevel. Soft Edge, 0.1, apply, and you get that. Now, that might be the look he wants already, but if you wanted the other one filled in, you could fill in these and just, because we've nudged and we did not move, we can nudge that down and then take the black outline away and you have a beveled. Now, he might want one more thing, and I'm going to just bevel the outside and not the inside. So stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.